Hi, I'm Sharon Marie, and I just want to share with you all today how grateful I am to have been able to attend one of Jennifer's workshops.
I'm truly grateful to have come to Jennifer's workshop. It's been such an experience from the moment that I arrived with open hands, with a loving heart, with so much care for the well-being of everybody that's arrived, and just seeing the transformation in everyone. It was over and over and over again, deeper and deeper, and so many layers, like an onion, every layer just dropping off. It was truly a transformative experience for myself.
This workshop with Jen has been an absolutely incredible experience, extremely transformational.
It's so beautiful to feel belonging here, not only in my body, but with a group of people that we've been through so much in like 3 days, and this process is just so real. That's the word that I keep using. It feels like the realist way to connect with something that is spiritual and grounded and tangible.
It was like a milestone in my life. Many things came to a head. Many old patterns were exposed, rewritten.
Before the workshop, there was kind of like a tangle of things both inside me and within my tightest relationships, and I feel really grateful for being able to essentially bounce those issues off of the group and see them reflected back to me in ways that I could actually take in.
Really learning how to deepen communication, communicate in a clear way, and ways to connect with each other, to have really profound communication.
My amount of energy I have from the weekend and having huge generational releases from hundreds of years ago. And before I came, I was very tired and lacking energy, and that seems to have disappeared now.
And to have those really difficult subjects and things I haven't wanted to confront held in such a loving, safe space and be like surrounded by love at the same time. I feel untangled and lighter as a result.
So grateful for her work and her dedication and how amazing I feel.
Jennifer is absolutely incredible, so talented, so powerful.
I want to stay in this zone and I want to continue doing this for the rest of my life. Thank you. Thank you, Jennifer.